It is almost 11 o'clock and I have just applied the Nars matte lip pencil in Dolce Vita. This, you can tell, I have used quite a few times because it is been shaved down quite a lot. It is one of my favorite shades, and like looking in the viewfinder, it looks like this is showing up a little more like rosy pink than it actually is. So I'll try to adjust the settings while I'm editing it, but if you want to have like true to color representation, go and check out the blog lipstickaday.com and you can see like actual color corrected photos that I can do much easier in Photoshop than I can editing the video. Like I said, this is one of my favorite shades, but I haven't really sat down and analyzed it. So I'm going to show you the application process and read through what Nars has to say about this lipstick. What it is: a cult favorite matte lip pencil that instantly delivers the impact of a matte lipstick with the spontaneity of a pencil. What it does: the Nars Velvet Lip Pencil ensures that lips are instantly saturated with rich, vivid pigments and a velvety matte finish. Its jumbo size provides the application of a lipstick with the convenience of an artist pencil, and the tapered end is perfect for lining, defining, and filling in lips. Its non-drying formula is enriched with vitamin E and emollients for a creamy texture, while a blend of unique silicones ensures that it's long-lasting, seamless matte color for hours. Just pair it with another lip product for added dimension or as a tinted base. Whether it's soft and neutral or bold and edgy, this lip pencil is ideal for making a lip statement. So we're going to see if it is long-wearing, non-drying, and has a seamless matte color. My lips are a little bit dry today, especially on the lower lip, like right here, so we'll give it a little bit of a pass there because it's already in a bit of rough shape in that area, but we will see for the rest of the lip if it's going to be non-drying. The other thing that I noticed while I was applying this that I hadn't really noticed before, because you know when you're just like putting on your makeup, you're not like sitting down and paying attention, you know what I mean? I usually like to have like music on, or I'll have a YouTube video going, or I'll be playing a podcast. I'm not just sitting there like focused on like how well does this apply. So when I was applying this on camera, I noticed that I had to keep going over the same areas, like multiple swipes to build up the color to what I was looking for, instead of one swipe, which was a fairly like thin pigmentation wise. But we will see how this is going to wear for the rest of the day. It is going to be a dark and kind of gloomy day. We're having like a huge rainstorm hit in probably about 20 minutes. So hopefully that's not going to make the footage too difficult to see, but apologies in advance if it does. So here you can see the difference of just like one little swipe of color versus like layering it up quite a few times. It's significantly more pigmented, so that is something to keep in mind. I think for the darker shades, it is known to be a little bit more pigmented in one swipe, but for this shade in particular, it's not really doing it. Alright, so it is just after 3 o'clock, which means we're a little bit more than 4 hours into wear, and I'm actually really impressed. Like I said, I've worn this lipstick a lot, but I've never really paid attention to it as I've been wearing it, because I've just, you know, tossed it on. But it's wearing really well. I had like a full giant messy salad for lunch, and it's basically totally unchanged. There's a little bit of wear right on the inner part of my lower lip, but that's not all that surprising because that's where my lips were really uneven earlier because it's just a tiny little bit chapped. But otherwise from that, there's no like fading around the lip line. The color is still pretty darn strong, and I'm happy. We're gonna see how much longer it's going to wear, and I will check back in a little bit. Alright, so it is now 5:30. There is significant wear off the inner portion of my lips, so it is kind of noticeable at this point, but I am going to continue wearing it for probably a couple more hours just to see how much longer it's going to wear on the outer portion. But if I was wearing this during the day, I would definitely need to reapply at this point, so if you're wanting to wear this for the office, take it with you because you will need to reapply midday. Alright, so it is 7:15, which puts us at a grand total of about 8 hours of wear because this lipstick has totally worn off, not a speck of it left. Which means you probably would have wanted to reapply a couple of hours ago. But for one of my favorite lipsticks, I'm glad that it turned out to not be terrible, and I'm going to keep wearing it pretty regularly. I will have a full write-up, full review on the blog later today, lipstickaday.com, and I will see you next time. Bye.